Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. Kumar channel. Myself Dr. Shivajyoti. Today we will discuss on one of the important topic, exercise and pregnancy. Many women after they conceive, they will have many doubts in their mind like should we exercise or is it safe to exercise? If at all we are doing the exercise, what exercise should we do? How many times should we do? What exercises to be avoided in the pregnancy? These all the questions will be arising in the mind. The answer for the first is yes, you can do the exercise, but under the advice of the healthcare provider or a doctor. Now, what exercises to be done and when to do the exercises? That and all we will be discussing in this video. In the medical terminology, pregnancy is divided into the 3 trimesters. Whole pregnancy will be there for the 9 months. So it has been divided into the 3 trimesters. First trimester is from the 0 to the 3 months, means from the date of the conceiving to the 3 months. And second trimester is from the 4th to 6 months. And the third trimester is from the 7th to 9 months. Why I am explaining these trimesters is because in my future videos I will be uploading the exercises depending upon what exercise you should do in the each trimester. If you are physically active and you are doing the exercise before the pregnancy, you can continue the same exercises but with an moderation. Otherwise, if you are starting your exercise right after the pregnancy, then start it with an very low intensity and go increase or progress the gradually. And the best exercise what is for the initiate to the program is walking. You can start with the walking initially, later you can progress with your exercises. The more active and fit you are during your pregnancy, it is very easier for you to adapt to the changes that takes place in your body and also to the weight gain. And also the exercise will help in for the easier labor. The exercise will also help you to cope up with the labor pains, and also it will make us easier to get back into our shape to the normal level. Remember one thing, exercise is not dangerous to your baby. Keep up yourself active with any of the activities like an exercise, yoga, dance, walking, swimming, whatever. The main thing is you should be comfortable in whatever the activity you are doing it. Whenever you are exercising, keep some points in your mind like shouldn't work out in an humid or the hot weather. Lots and plenty of the fluid should be taken while doing the exercise, before the exercise and after the exercise. Avoid any of the activities like jumping, bouncing, twisting, sudden movements should be avoided. Do not exercise till you get exhausted, and always before doing the exercise, warm up is a mandatory one. So go with an warm up exercise program, then cool down. Always exercise on the flat surface, not on any inclined or any irregular surfaces. Now, what exercise should be avoided during the pregnancy? Avoid lying down flat on the surface onto the back, because what happens with this is whenever you are lying down on your back for a longer period, the weight or the bump whatever you are having, that will be compressing the blood vessels, which will be returning to the blood supply to the heart. So because of that you may feel fainting. And remember one thing, don't hold your breath whenever you are doing any exercise. Avoid the sports or the activities whichever is having an high contact or high risk of the fall or the hit, like standing on the toes or going for any activities which you will be coming contact with another person, that should be avoided. Activities like deep bending of the knees, trying to touch the floor with the standing straight and trying to touch the toes and raising your both the limbs to straight, that and all should be avoided. If you have any of the symptoms like an chest pain, pain in the abdomen or the pelvic pain, headache, giddiness, vomiting sensation, any vaginal bleed, if you feel that your limbs are becoming cold and clammy, and if you are feeling that there is an amniotic fluid leakage, in such conditions you stop the exercise and talk to your health doctor whether to continue with the exercises or not. And one more thing, you should not become exhausted during your activity, and you also should not become any short of breath. Means if you are doing the exercise, if you are trying to talk, if you cannot able to complete the sentence, means that you are in an complete exhaustion. Try to reduce the level of the exercise. Till now we have seen what the exercise to be done and what the precautions you should take, or when to stop the exercise. But some people are not advised to go for the exercise. Who all are not advised for the exercises? Whoever is having a severe anemia, any lung conditions are there, or any heart problems are there, or repeated miscarriages are there, or any history of the spotting or the bleeding, those people, it's better that they won't go for an exercises, but still they can continue with the exercises if they are even at the bed rest also, like and going with and simple stretches, or going with the hands movements. The main aim in the pregnancy, you should have one aim like that, you should exercise at least for the 30 minutes, at least for 5 days in a week. This can be any sort of the activity like walking, or the exercises, or a mild stretches. You can do it in any form, whatever you are comfortable. Now, what exercise we should do in the trimester, first trimester, second trimester and third trimester, that and all we will see in our next videos. If you like the video, share it and subscribe it, and for further notifications click the bell icon.